Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Porsche Cayenne gear knob. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked with the parking brake engaged. You'll want to gather a few basic tools, like a trim removal tool and a small flathead screwdriver, to prevent any damage. Understanding the knob's attachment mechanism is key to a smooth removal process. We'll start by gently prying up the trim surrounding the gear selector. Now, let's focus on the trim surrounding the gear selector. Using a plastic trim removal tool, carefully pry up the trim panel, working your way around the edges. Be gentle to avoid scratching any surfaces. Once the trim is loose, you might find electrical connectors attached. Disconnect these by pressing their release tabs. Next, gently lift the gear boot, which is usually held in place by clips or a friction fit. With the trim and boot out of the way, you'll see the base of the gear knob. Look for a retaining clip or a collar that secures the knob to the shift lever. Often, a small flathead screwdriver can be used to carefully pry open or release this clip. Once the clip is disengaged, the knob should be free. You can then firmly pull the knob straight upwards to remove it from the shift lever. It might require a bit of force. Before installing a new knob or reinstalling the old one, take a moment to inspect the shift lever for any wear or damage. When you're ready to reinstall, simply align the new knob with the shift lever and push it down firmly until it clicks into place. Ensure the retaining clip is fully engaged. Reconnect any electrical connectors, then carefully press the trim panel back into position until it's flush. Double-check everything for a secure fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.